up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know we're in them 5 swapping it out, dude. I'm uploading every 2 weeks now, and it feels like, dude, why is time gotta fly like this, bro? This is actually sad. Like, I can't wait till all my kids watch my videos and be like, Dad, why do you keep saying stuff? And then, dude, they're gonna all realize, bro, like, time's just gonna fly, dude. Like, one thing I will say is that after high school, dude, time is weird. Like, I can't believe how, dude, I just can't believe it, man, honestly. Like, that's kind of why I have not bought more cars, man. Just low-key scared, man. I've been low-key, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've been hella scared to tune it because honestly I don't really trust most tuners now. I feel like they're just like, they tune it. I just don't want to, I really do not care for power. I just want to adjust sound, you know what I mean? And make this car run more efficiently. I know, like, I just don't know who to take it to, honestly, man. Because these cars last so long when you just don't touch anything, you know? So it's like, it makes me just kind of not want to touch anything. Shifts are weak though, dude. And that's the only reason why I want to tune is I want to make it shift more aggressively. Either way, dude, this car sounds freaking amazing. That's all I care about. Commercial buildings like this, I think these buildings right here, the HOA itself is like about over $1,000, which is so crazy, dude. I genuinely can't believe it. I've also been riding hella e-bikes recently, and I'm pretty sure that's opened up because like last time I was here, there was like a motorcycle cop over there, bro. Like, I hate how e-bikes are like already chopped, like they're rolled now. It sucks. So pretty much nowadays I'm like low 31,000 square foot. Sheesh. That's crazy. Like I have a 12,000 square foot building, and dude, it's 30,000 sounds ridiculous. It's actually crazy how there's a lot of companies running operations like that over here. Like 30,000 square foot, 50,000 square foot. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the video, man. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos I've been posting. I haven't been posting as much because, honestly, dude, like I said, we're doing the same thing. I feel like it's like 2 a month is like perfect. Plus, it leaves room for me just to rest on the weekends and regenerate. Because, dude, I need to regen, bro. Having a business is not for freaking everyone, dude. It is not. It is not for everyone. It's been putting me to the test, bro. I'll tell you that right now. But I want to leave room for like when new cars start coming in. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do because I don't want to like get into rebuilds and then it take way too much time out of me, you know. Plus, I need to find someone that can help me find like good wreck cars that are not like full on wrecked, you know. Because, you know, when you start buying wrecked cars, bro, it's just like hit or miss, obviously. So it's like I'm not rushing into any of that. I'm kind of right now just focusing on business. Actually, I'm like at this point done hiring people because it's a lot, man. Training people up in this industry is brutal. So now I'm content with the 4 guys that I have, I'm more than happy. Just gotta keep the ball rolling. Closing out dudes crazy. I've been closing really good deals. Like I basically have I'm actually in-house now with one of the biggest shops past like the middle states towards the West Coast. I'm working at the biggest shop like pretty much in the whole West Coast and like half of Central. It's pretty crazy. Ooh, that's clean. It's a clean Corvette. So that was like probably my biggest W this year, is being able to get in there, because obviously like people, there's competition, right? So like how do you make yourself different from competition? It really comes down to quality, obviously, right? Because the price I charge, dude, is not far from OEM, and I'm booked, dude. I'm super booked out. Like I do not have to seek out. I do not have to seek out work. It's really nice. It's been such a blessing. Like now I'm at a point where I'm looking for less work. Like I don't want to be as busy, just because like I'm focusing on the quality of customers. So it's been good, dude. Definitely all glory to God, man. I definitely can't take credit for that. But like I said, dude, the reason why there's also not a lot of competition at the same time, this industry is tough, man. Like there's a lot of times where I'm like fighting for payments. Holy. Oh my gosh. Sounds ridiculous. Here, what I like about here, oh, this person right there, ain't chill. What I like about this spot though is that I can focus on like the ASMR. The turbos on this thing are stupid, bro. Damn, that's hella people out right now. Sheesh, bro. Like every single 20, like 30 feet, there's somebody. Oh yeah, bro. There's a baby in there. Frick. This spot's literally perfect because everything's so close together. And this is like, bro, I'm literally playing Sims, bro. This area is so... I remember this area used to be cheap because it was like somewhat far from LA. But now, dude, last 5 years, people are okay with driving far, man. It's so expensive here. It's actually insane. Sheesh. Yeah, man, I don't know what other car I want right now. I'm like just not rushing it. I don't want to, honestly, like I'm even scared to get a house right now, dude. I'm gonna be honest. Like I am so trying to avoid expense right now. It's actually ridiculous. Like even with the business, bro, I'm like even more like I don't want to waste my money. I just want the money to sit in the company and just chill, dude. I mean, that's how it was for the first year, dude. I pretty much was like prepared to like make no money. That's why I was like that. Oh my. Woo. Oh my gosh, bro. I love the way this thing sounds. Holy, bro, I don't need no tune, man, honestly. Yeah, tune would be amazing, but dude, this thing's ridiculous. this car, dude, this car in the Hellcat does not get old. Because I know, like, I mean, what else am I gonna get? Like, I love V6s, but they're a little bit too raspy for me. They sound great, but like I said, a little bit too raspy. I love Corvettes. It's freaking beast V8. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support for all the years, man. Dude, appreciate it, man. Crazy, man. I can't believe how much time flies, but hope you guys have a good one, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.